Hi you guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is meribahMUA. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Meribah. I do makeup tutorials, beauty reviews, skincare, all that jazz. So yeah, today's look is obviously, we know what it's gonna be. You saw the title, it's pink and red, so Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Last year I did one of these and it was like pink and glittery, and this year I just kind of wanted to do something that was more like sexy and sultry rather than like glittery and fun. So I came up with this idea of doing like a cut crease and a bold red lip with a little bit of gold. So you see it here. If you like this makeup tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So anyways, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So starting out to prime my lid, I'm going to use the MAC Painterly Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. And we're going to apply this all over the lid. I'm just going to use this flat Morphe brush here. In the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, we are using this light shade here as our transition shade, and that is the shade called Bermuda. I'm taking this white MAC Fluffy blending brush, and we're gonna go straight away into the crease here and just really start blending this color out. Now in the palette, we are taking this red shade here, and we're gonna go in the crease with that. This is called Pangin. With that same light pink shade, we're just gonna go in now and buff this out to really blend that harsh line out. Okay, now to cut the crease, we're using the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Fair. This is their lightest shade, which I think is perfect for cutting that crease. So we're gonna just take a flat concealer brush here. This is the MAC Cosmetics concealer brush. Or excuse me, this is actually a Maxima. So this is from my Esqido. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect because you're just going to go back in anyways with the eyeshadow and fix it. So just do your best to cut it and don't be a perfectionist. That's my best advice for cut creases. Okay, so I have the crease cut out, and I'm just going to take the eyeshadow and just go along the line to sharpen up and blend that line more. And then I'm just blending this out just a little bit more. Okay, so now with a flat brush like this, I'm gonna pack on this color called Ice Gold. And it is this shade right here, this one. And as you can see, it's a very white shade, but it's gonna have a nice iridescence to it. A nice shimmer to make everything a flat white. Now going underneath the eye, I'm taking that light pink shade again that we started with, and I'm gonna buff that underneath the eye. For eyeliner, I'm using this Inglot eyeliner, and the shade is very, very red. And I'm gonna use this angled brush here, and I'm gonna make a winged eye line with this red eyeliner. Just to kind of set where I did that red eyeliner, I'm going to take that red eyeshadow and I'm just gonna dab it over. And then I'm gonna take that white shade again and just go on the crease and touch up where that white is. Just kind of make it super defined. I am going to pull that red down just in the corner here underneath the eye, just to connect the top and the bottom eyelid. And then I'm just going to blend this in. Now in the corner of the eye, as a pop of color, I'm going to pop a little bit of this gold shade in there. And I'm actually just going to use that same flat brush. So I want to pop this gold shade just in the corner of the eye. Just to kind of break up the red a little bit. All right, now we're going to move on to lashes. And it's kind of hard to figure out a lash that won't overpower the eyeliner, but that is still super dramatic. So I'm just trying to see. All right, so I found some that have a pretty thin lash band, so I'm going to use those, and they're pretty natural looking. So I'm going to put my lashes on off camera, and I will be right back. All right, so I've got the eyelashes on. These are Esqido, I think that's how you say, and they're very thin, so you can kind of see the eye detail, but they still give you that dramatic, beautiful Valentine's mwah look. So for lips, I'm gonna use this Tarte lip liner. This is their Amazonian clay lip liner in the shade Berry. And then I'm using the Sephora Cream Lip Satin in their red shade. So yeah, let's go ahead and do our lips. So I really like how the lip turned out. I did the Berry lip liner just to give it, you know, that like darker outline and like more red on the inside. I'm looking at very fair skin, but that's okay. And now we're just gonna do a little bit of the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Alright, so that completes the final look for this Valentine's Day look that you can wear on your date night, or if you're just lounging around on the couch, whatever you're doing for Valentine's Day, you can definitely pull this off. I definitely enjoy doing this tutorial, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and keep watching my channel, you guys. I appreciate the love and support that I'm getting from everyone, so thank you so much to all my subscribers. I love you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.